Welcome back to Maha's Kitchen Secrets, where I like my food healthy, easy and quick. French onion soup. If you had it, you know it's delicious. If not, please try it. It reminds me of my days in London when the weather's cold. I would just always yearn for soups, and this was one of my favorite soups. Butter. So I have 4 big white onions I've sliced into wings, and we're gonna saute those. Now we're gonna let it cook for around 30 to 40 minutes. We need the onions to caramelize and be soft. We're not frying it. I just want it to caramelize to bring out the sweetness of the onion. And it's a long process, but you can come and go and check on your pot. 40 minutes have passed, and this is the final color and the amount. You can see a big bunch of onions has just melted down to this very little bit. That's the flavor. And now I'm gonna add some flour, some beef stock, black pepper, a little bit of salt. We're gonna cover it, and we're just gonna let it cook for like 15 minutes until all the flavors blend together. I have here a cheese called Gruyere, and it's a nice Swiss cheese that melts amazingly. This is gonna go on the top of the soup, and it's just gonna make that oozy, yummy, delicious layer. If you can't find Gruyere, you can use any other cheese that has nice melting characteristics. Now we want to grate it. So I'm gonna slice some baguette. You can't find baguette, use whatever's available. You know, I always say, be inventive in the kitchen. The smell is absolutely amazing. This is the onion soup bowl. If you don't have it, you can use any bowl which is oven proof, because it needs to go under the grill so the cheese melts. And now the bread and the cheese. The cheese. Now it's going to go under the grill just until the cheese melts and browns a bit. That's ready. I can just smell all those flavors, the cheese, the sweet onion, the stock. I can't wait to taste. The flavor is heavenly, really. On a cold winter day, go and make this soup.